Hello everyone, welcome to the Market Weekly update. This is USD JPY. Currently, the USD JPY is still in the bullish momentum. Therefore, what I'm looking for is it reaching the resistance area, and then I'm looking for a rejection or a breakthrough. The more likely scenario will be going to break above the resistance, and the another scenario is get rejected and tested the trend line and then brings to another scenario whether it get rejected or it break through the trend line and forming a lower. So this is the most likely scenario for the USD JPY. So let's move on to the AUD JPY. Okay, so for the AUD JPY, currently is forming a flag. Okay, so what I'm waiting for is this candle, this daily candle is forming above the trend line. If it's forming above the trend line, it will likely to go like this. So AUD JPY, I only seen one scenario, which is if this candle forming above here, the trend line, the only scenario is going to break the resistance and form another all-time high. Let's move on to the CHF JPY. CHF JPY is currently consolidating, which we call is ranging. Okay, but we can see that here's a trend line for this CHF JPY. Okay, so we can see that all the candles wick is forming above the trend line, which means it's a strong momentum for the uptrend. Therefore, what I'm looking for is it goes to test here the third time of testing. And no, one, two, three, four, five times of testing. And then if it's not successfully break it, I'm going to look for a sell because we can see that here is a strong resistance zone and here is also a strong support zone. If it breaks it, okay, I'm going to looking for a new all-time high for the CHF JPY. Let's move on to the GBP JPY. GBP JPY, actually we look here, look at the chart, we already see that it is already a new no, not reaching a new all-time high areas. Okay, so what I'm looking for is it going to take a retest. Okay, yesterday it took a retest already, and the final target will be here, which means like this and then like this. Final target will be here for the GBP JPY.